To calculate number of days between two dates without including holidays, use NETWORKDAYS function. This function calculates number of work days between two dates and excludes holidays. Click Cancel. Active this cell. Click Date and Time arrow button. Click NETWORKDAYS function. In Start Date box, select this cell reference. Press Tab key. In End Date box, select this cell reference. Press Tab key. Select this cell reference in Holidays box. A that date is public holiday. Function will not count this date as a work day between two dates. Click OK. Function returns 8 because number of work days are 8 between two dates. This function only excludes holidays. You cannot exclude weekend days by using NETWORKDAYS function. In this way, to calculate number of work days between two dates, NETWORKDAYS function is used.